Hello, and welcome to PCG, the leader in business sustainability through digital transformation. As we go through this brief introduction, please pay attention to some of the fast facts that will pop up on the screen. These will provide you with a little more detail on who we are as we explore our amazing company together. Our first fast fact, please keep these numbers in mind. They will show up again later. PCG is a service provider that focuses on business sustainability through predictive system performance and has grown alongside the Infor product line, making us one of the longest-serving alliance partners in Infor's history. PCG began its journey from its roots with Flextronics and grew to become a company that some of you may remember as Business and Decision. Through successful mergers along the way, the organization grew in size, expanded its knowledge and service capabilities, and thus evolved into the organization that we know today as PCG. With solution experience going back to the Triton era, spanning through Bond ERP and into the Infor Cloud Suite of today, PCG has a broadened knowledge to aid any customer in their service needs. Fast fact, proof of our industry experience, PCG was named Infor's Manufacturing Partner of the Year. Our company understands the needs of its customers, and we listen to what components your team needs to be successful. Part of our core in delivering sustainability for our customers is to focus these 4 drivers that directly contribute to organizational success. Deep insights into a customer's industry with source knowledge on the technology and platforms within it, maintaining proven expertise in the latest solution technology sets and business requirements, providing quality with both speed and accuracy to complete services and align customers with technology, and more success in operating with our customers and providing industry-leading leadership and support. PCG offers a full range of services in delivering Infor solutions to its customers. Part of this model includes a 5-step process in our methodology that focuses on a sustainability approach for project success. We begin with a plan which establishes the foundation and benchmarks of the project. Once complete, we move on to the execution strategy with a focus on core modeling, which we will discuss more on later. During the implementation cycle, we will continuously monitor each step of the project to ensure adherence to the plan. We will also measure the progress through each stage of implementation and evaluate current success on those KPI models. Once delivered, we'll then focus on optimization to provide our customers with a continuous competitive advantage and a guarantee on long-term sustainability. Fast fact, PCG has over 100 skilled expert resources experienced in Infor product solutions with industry vertical knowledge. One of the key foundation stones in PCG's sustainability model is maintaining serviceable and predictable solutions with our customers. Keeping relevant with the current industry standards, PCG delivers on Industry 4.0 and provides customers with implementations of intelligent systems that help align your operations with the next level of advanced technology and predictable models. Key knowledge and development and service of Infor Burst business intelligence platforms and Infor OS digital solution stacks allows PCG to deliver on advanced solutioning and taking their customers from behind the technology bar to leading their industry and system advances. Continued knowledge in Infor Cloud Suite allows PCG to provide customers with end-to-end solution design specifically for their industry, and functional applicational knowledge for extensibility processes around Factory Track and MES, as well as CRM, CPQ, and PLM models, just to name a few, allows us to capture a complete business enterprise solution and deliver it to our customers with a continued sustainable and predictable approach. And those skills and expertise are not singularly focused. PCG has experience in multiple industries with deep knowledge of core requirements and processes, which builds on the Infor Agility implementation model. Over the years of success, we've taken this industry knowledge and utilized it to bring hundreds of satisfied customers online with the latest and most advanced Infor product lines of the time, and we continue to provide sustainable success while ensuring our customers maintain a competitive advantage against their competition. Now that we know a little more on how PCG works with its individual customers, let's look at how we focus on specific industry needs. To begin, let's take a look at how PCG provides a sustainable predictability service model to the automotive industry. PCG brings industry expertise and delivers for its automotive customers a sustainable and predictable implementation model that focuses on 8 key objectives. These objectives include the setup of standardization in core processes across divisions with key focuses on areas such as shipping challenges, sequencing needs, planning and production, and advanced product quality and planning, just to name a few. As with the automotive industry, PCG leverages our broadened knowledge of industry experience to deliver on customer needs across industry-specific verticals. No other industry is more evident of this than that of aerospace and defense. PCG has a dedicated service staff that understands the nuances and requirements that the aerospace and defense industry must accommodate. Key areas of knowledge that we provide to our A&D customers include advanced knowledge on key challenges such as regulatory compliance with ITAR, EAR, DPAS, and DACA, differentiation between sales and demand models versus project and contract management of both foreign and domestic deals, cost accountability and track and trace requirements, as well as quality measurements, technical package reference needs, and handling of CFMs and subcontract processes. Our most prominent offering has always been our focus on maintaining a resource team with deep industry knowledge. Remember our last fast fact? As with automotive and A&D, PCG continues this industry-focused service model with our industrial enterprise customers as well. With industrial enterprise, PCG provides what we call a micro-vertical expertise. This expert experience in industrial enterprise allows us to focus on servicing areas such as material handling processes, as well as the manufacturing of industrial machinery and equipment, power solutions, transportation, and electrical appliances and components. This gives our organization an expansive portfolio of knowledge to service almost any IE customer need. Fast fact, PCG has had over 400 ERP successes in its career. So how does PCG provide service to these industries and implement Infor product solutions for its customers so successfully? We do it through the adoption of implementation agility. We begin by gaining a clear understanding of the customer's vision and bring the processes for implementing Infor software for their business in a way that engages the customer through the entire process. We work with our customers in establishing a proof platform which is validated by their central business team before deployment begins. And as we move through the project stages, we focus on team building exercises that helps ensure that we're managing our project goals successfully, as well as transferring the required knowledge for the customer's continued success. And during this entire process, our skilled resources stand alongside our customers to aid them in continuous innovations and improvements which allow them to continue to evolve. PCG deploys the agility service model with respect to the key components that make up a successful implementation for our customers. We focus on a strict adherence to the reference architecture to ensure sustainability through the use of core application processes that allows customers to easily adapt to system improvements and future enhancements. We implement Infor software utilizing an enhanced Infor Accelerator 4.0 stack that delivers a 60% industry core model in the 60-30-10 implementation approach. We've adopted the use of process intelligence, which delivers industry-focused methodologies that allow us to align our skills with the latest industry requirements and regulations. We provide a testing as a service model to ensure the Infor products we implement for our customers are functional and meet the appropriate standards. We follow the Infor agility models and deploy customer systems utilizing a pre-configured playbook with the 60-30-10 model approach associated. And we support the system enablement process that aligns us as an Infor partner with customer-based content that aligns with your industry needs. By adopting these principles, PCG has become a true leader in the industry. Fast fact, PCG delivered the first LN implementation in North America, was the first LN Alliance partner, was the first Infor partner to deliver a full-stack LN 10.5 platform to a successful go-live in North America, was the first Cloud Suite approved LN ERP partner, and is the first Infor recognized Burst specialty ERP partner in North America. The PCG approach for service delivery is based on the Infor deployment method, which is built on industry open standards that include service competencies around PMBOK, SPEM, the Open Group Architecture Framework, and the Business Analysis Book of Knowledge. So why do customers use PCG for their Infor projects? Well, our skilled sets are all in-house. We deliver hands-on resources and we don't outsource. We provide fee predictability so our customers are not met with mounting costs in an ever-growing project timeline. We deliver customer-focused service approach with resource consistency on the project and cradle-to-grave implementation adoption methods. And we have a scalable and flexible service model that can meet a customer's need regardless of the project size or scope. Fast fact, PCG has a 100% project success rate with our customers. So how does all of this translate to you? Well, if you're a current or prospective user of Infor products, we can assist you in providing a comprehensive analysis on your next project. PCG's promise is to provide competitive rates, back all of our services and staff with a background of credibility and service expertise, submit a focused skill set of resources to evaluate and conduct your project tasks, and accelerate your company's understanding of the solutions and process models more quickly and efficiently. So, if you're looking at next steps, consider one of the following. Learn more about us by following the associated links to this presentation or contacting us at the information provided below. Leverage us to identify the next project in your pipeline or aid in closing an existing deal. Review our credentials and see sustainability in action. Or, if you're ready, let's get started on a new business sustainability project with you today. From all of us here at PCG, thank you for your time, and we look forward to working with you in the near future.